Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to fix the error that causes Blue Mail to crash on Fedora or Debian distros. I don't know if it happens on all distros, but I know this happens in both Fedora and Debian and on PCs with more than one GPU. So this time you try to launch the app, it immediately crashes after loading the splash screen. In fact, it doesn't even load the splash screen completely. So I tried launching it using my terminal as well, and I found a log that says GPU service name NA unable to use GPU process. So the child process is gone, which means unable to use the GPU process. And the quick fix around this is to add the no sandbox argument after typing the path to the Bluemail binary file. So after adding a no sandbox argument, and after adding a no sandbox argument, it loads the splash screen and the full component of the app. Everything looks pretty well. So that's just how to fix it. And I recommend you edit the desktop icon using a text editor and add a no sandbox argument also on the exec line. The line containing exec. So add no sandbox here so you can easily launch it with the desktop icon anytime. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more amazing contents coming soon.